Hey everyone, welcome back to Ustable. If you've been working with WordPress, you've probably noticed that annoying default category called Uncategorized. And no matter what you do, it just won't go away. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete or replace the uncategorized category in just a few simple steps. Whether you're running a blog or a business site, this quick tweak will make your content look much more professional. By the way, at Ustable, we believe your website deserves the best, with fast, reliable, and secure web hosting that keeps your site running at top speed, always. Because a powerful website starts with powerful hosting. Let's dive into today's video. This uncategorized category is a default category in WordPress, and all posts from deleted categories or posts with no category are assigned to this uncategorized category. So, we can't delete this uncategorized category, but if you want to get rid of this category with an ugly name, I'll show you how to do it. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard, and you will be on this page. Go to Posts and click Categories. On the right side is this list of all the categories. When you hover your cursor over categories, name edit options appear. Click the Quick Edit option, type the new name, and then type a new slug according to the new name Web. Slug is a search engine friendly version of your category name, and that is why we use all lowercase letters. Now, click the Update Category button. Notice that the name has been changed, and there is no category name uncategorized in the list. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.